Hey everyone, this is Troy with Lerch RV, and welcome to this exclusive Lerch RV unit. It's a 2022 Durango Gold 387. This is one of the front living room models pre-owned that we have. It gives you a ton of space in here, both in terms of height, slide out space. You have slide outs here, 2 in the front, and then 1 in the bedroom as well. Of course, you have your nice large overhead convection microwave. Of course, down here you have your nice large 4-burner stove, your extra large oven beneath that. Yep. Over here to my left-hand side, you do have an extra pantry space with tons of shelving over on the left-hand side. And on the right-hand side, of course, you have a washer-dryer hookup, more shelves, and an overhead cabinet there as well. Heading back over into the kitchen side of things, of course, you have your nice large island, your dual sink covers here with a solid surface. That gives you a nice large single bowl sink there to operate out of. In your island, you do have your extra storage underneath, as well as a dishwasher already built in. And of course, you have your nice large residential refrigerator over here to my right side as well again. So plenty of space there. And a pull-out freezer. Of course, over in your dining area, you do have your nice little table, chairs on each side, plenty of window space. You have a lot of light coming in. Over here to my right, you have the extra cabinets. Nice little nook. That way you can hook your coffee maker up or anything else you want to use. Of course, you have your touchscreen panel here for all your controls. And heading into the front living, you have your opposing slide outs, both of which have sofas which convert into beds. Plenty of space to still get through when they're both out. You have your recliners with your heat and massage. And in front, you do have a lift for a television, which will pop right out of here. If you don't want it up, you have a lot of extra light coming in there, plus your fireplace underneath. And heading up into the master bedroom area, of course, you have your extra storage here on the right side as you're coming up, or my right, your left. This does come with the central vac system. You have your television up here in your master bedroom, fireplace underneath, so you have that extra little heat coming up into the bedroom as well, beyond what your furnace offers. Of course, you have your hanging wardrobe space here. There are shelves inside here now as well, so if you want one or the other, you have options there. Your bed is a king size, and it is on an adjustable base. That way, if you need it for reading, or if you're a little more comfortable, more vertical or not, you can adjust that as needed. And heading into the master bathroom, of course, you do have your plenty of counter space. You have dual mirrors, his and her vanities, an easy-to-access toilet, storage underneath. Nice large shower over here to my left-hand side. And then, of course, you have your hanging wardrobe space over here with a couple shelves down at the bottom. More than enough room for what you'd ever need. I want to thank you for joining us on this walkthrough of the Durango Gold 387. It's a fantastic option for somebody that wants a little bit more quality, a little bit more of a full-time capacity unit without having to go over budget. If you have any questions about it, please feel free to stop in, call in, or text us, and we'll be more than happy to help you out, and we look forward to seeing you then.